Welcome. Today we are going to make Christmas cake. In a bowl, take half cup of dates and figs chopped, half cup of raisins and craisins, half cup of chopped walnuts and pecans, half cup of Tutti Fruity, half cup of chopped cashews, half cup of chopped almonds and pistachios. Now mix them well. We are going to use orange juice to soak these nuts and fruits, and we will soak them for 1 day. I'm using the store-bought orange juice, and we will add this to the bowl until all the nuts are submerged in the orange juice. And we will keep these soaked nuts for 24 hours so that all the nuts can soak well. Now we will mix dry ingredients in a bowl. Take 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda. And now mix them well and keep it aside. Now we will mix wet ingredients. Add 2 sticks of unsalted butter kept at room temperature and mix it well. Add 3/4 cup of brown sugar, one-fourth cup of maple syrup, three eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. At this point of time, we are going to add the soaked nuts. Remember, we soaked them for 1 day. And now mix them well. Slowly we'll start adding the dry ingredients that we have mixed before. We will add little by little so that the batter will turn out good. At this point of time, I will add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder just to give it a good color and mix it well. I will use half sheet pan. Before that, I need to grease the pan with a remaining butter in the butter paper. And now pour the mixture and distribute it evenly. It's time to decorate with some craisins. And here I'm adding some chocolate chunks for kids and adding some chopped dry nuts and some pistachios for a nice green color. And we are going to put that in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can see how nicely it has baked. I will cut it and I will show you how fluffy it looks and it tastes yummy. You can see how fluffy it became. Hope you will like this recipe. If you like it, please share this recipe and subscribe to my channel. Make it easy. Thank you.